Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial, and in this AI/ML short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage all of the shared chats from your DeepSeek. So as you can see right here, currently I am in the DeepSeek website, and from here I will show you how you can manage all of the chats that you have shared publicly or especially using public links. So the first thing that we can do is try to share a chat publicly. So to do that, first I'm going to click onto these three dots of the chat that I wish to share and then choose this third option, which is the share button. And once I click onto this share button, you can see I get this toggle at the bottom which says one conversation turn selected. And from here, I need to click onto this create public link. Once I do this, I'll need to click onto this create and copy, and you will see that a public link has been successfully created. Now let's say I wish to delete this public link or manage it. So for that, what I will need to do is simply click over to the three dots at the bottom left corner of your screen over your profile picture, and from here choose the settings option. And within the settings, you need to go to this data tab, and within the data, click onto this manage button over the shared links. From here, you can see both of the links which were publicly created. If you want, you can copy them again or simply delete them by clicking onto the trash bin icon and then again clicking onto this delete button in this toggle, and you're all set. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.